go through the tunnel, check the curb, make sure it's good. I don't care anything illegal because I'm a good person. And then take the bridge back. That'd be nice. I'm trying to get in the middle lane and just lock it in 70 and let that motor eat. Hopefully it doesn't break down. Because I'm trying to stay on top of my maintenance. Hopefully you guys do too also. So we go across. I'm at about 38. It's a little clearer, but I'm still going to take my time. Got to that first lane. Let this thing. When you follow cars for 3, 4, 5 hours, people do weird things. A lot of these videos, I just don't do that deep driving. But if I need to, I can. If you want me to do those things, you gotta let me know. So, we get off at this exit. The curve is going around to the right. So the chevron alignment signs are on the left. Okay. This is the straight part. And now the chevron alignment signs are on the right. The curve is going around to the left, just like the rest of the video. And I think maintenance is just an afterthought with a lot of people who they just don't care about their cars. And your car is an extension of yourself. I learned that. I look left and right. And I'm going to go in the nearest lane. Scanning the intersection again. You never know what people will do. I always look at intersections. See, I'm already at 50 here. They're trying to do a little race. It's not even that serious. To the middle turn lane, squeeze that brake, use the ball of my foot. There are a lot of side hustles. I see a lot of people, if you do have a vehicle, you could do DoorDash, Uber. But after you make a certain amount of money, you got to start paying taxes on that. So if I had to drive 10 hours, I don't know if I can make it. My stomach is killing me. Not like I'm sick to my stomach. It just aches. I'm just scanning the intersection. And I'm going up to the middle and let all these cars go by. Wait for this car to go by. I'm going to put myself in danger. Alright, and then I'm going to go into the nearest lane. When they turned, actually went in the wrong lane. Guys, if you enjoyed this, and I gave you some good feedback, I know I was rambling on, but this is real life out here. Let me know what you like, and then I'll make more of this type of content. Bye.